Hi folks, this is Adam here for Gearbubble.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the great features that Gearbubble has that can help you sell on all kinds of different platforms and many different types of campaigns that you can launch with Gearbubble. This is just a really quick overview. I'm going to be making more videos on how to use each feature, so have a look at the videos underneath this one for more information on how to use each individual feature. So the first thing that Gearbubble can do is direct campaign sales. So basically what you can do is you can take a product, launch it, and immediately go and advertise or share that product with any person, and they can buy it directly from the campaign, and you get paid by Gearbubble as soon as they purchase it. So this is a great way to advertise on Facebook. You don't need to have any kind of special store set up. Unlike Shopify, where you have to add a domain and do all of this stuff and add a bunch of apps, this is really fast and easy, and it was designed to get you selling on platforms right away. So you launch, you pick a URL, and you start advertising the campaign. You can also use this feature with the new white label domain. This allows you to verify your domain with Facebook, which allows you to use the Facebook pixel to track purchases and adds to cart so that Facebook can actually optimize your campaigns for you. Gearbubble allows you to add one domain per Gearbubble account. So you can purchase a domain from Namecheap and you can add it as a white label to your Gearbubble account, and it gives you a verifiable domain that you can then use for that purpose. So Gearbubble Pro is Gearbubble's answer to the need for a fully functional e-commerce store with all of the features that Shopify has in one location, and it is optimized for print on demand, but you can also add your own private products to it. So there is a whole lot to show you in Gearbubble Pro. There is training for Gearbubble Pro if you sign up. You get all of the training, you get all of the settings. You can basically edit all of the pages. You can set up customized checkout pages. You can add lots of products. You can do discount codes, average order value discounts. Lots of things that you can do with Gearbubble Pro. Most of these things are things that you can't do with the white label campaign, but there are ways to build a really powerful e-commerce store, and Gearbubble has it all here in one package. Now lastly, of course, this is the one that I use quite a bit, is the Dropship dashboard. So this is how you can use Gearbubble to sell on big platforms like Amazon and Etsy. So this is just an image of the Dropship dashboard, and you have access to this button here, Stores. This allows you to add your Etsy store, your eBay store, your Amazon store as Dropship stores. You can add your products, upload them through the integration. You can make manual orders, but if you are integrated, of course, it pulls in all of your orders from the platform, and then it just shows them underneath here. You do pay per, you have to buy, or you don't buy credits, but you basically pay per order, and then the platform will pay you. So it's a little bit different than making campaign sales, where Gearbubble basically takes the money from the customer and then gives you the profit. In the Dropship platform, you're basically paying when you ship a product out to the customer, and then you have to, of course, do all the customer service and manage all of that on your end there. But it is a great way for you to be able to sell on Amazon and Etsy, and especially at Christmas time, you get a lot of sales through the Dropship platform. And this is just an example of what it looks like. So we have a couple of other features that I didn't talk about earlier, but campaign personalization and Etsy text personalization are some of the newest things that Gearbubble has added to the platform. So that's what this looks like here. So this on the right here is the super personalization. This is only available through campaign sales, so you can use this on your Gearbubble Pro store or your white label store, or just selling directly from the campaign page. And it basically gives you a whole lot of personalization, so you can change the hair color, the style of glasses, and there's a a whole bunch of different options. There's pets and just a lot of things. Gearbubble's always adding new personalization features to that. There's also text personalization that you can push through the Etsy integration so that your text personalized orders can be auto-fulfilled through Gearbubble. So right here you see this bottom part is the text personalized layer on this product, and this is launched on Etsy. So if I get an order here, the customer can enter their name and Gearbubble will fulfill the order with the customer's personalization on it. So if you haven't yet checked out some of these features, go ahead, just play with them, get to know all of the features on Gearbubble. There's lots of great things. More things are always being added. And of course, they will always be announced in the Facebook group. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and search for and join the Gearbubble.com Facebook group, and you'll see all of the new stuff, announcements there for the future. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.